Let's divide 136 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start dividing 136 by 2, get ready for some fun. We look at the first digit 1, we'll use this lonely digit for now. Can 2 fit into 1? Nope, so we put a 0 in the quotient. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1, that's our remainder for this tiny step. You're doing awesome, keep that amazing energy going. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make our number bigger. Here we are at step 2, we've got a 1 and a 3 making 13. We bring down the 3 from 136, joining our remainder 1 to make 13. How many times does 2 fit into 13? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that's 6 times. Now let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12, write 12 below 13. Time to subtract. 13 minus 12 equals 1, we've got a remainder of 1. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. One last digit to go, let's bring it down and finish this. Last step, let's make it count, we have 16. We bring down the final digit 6, and join it with our remainder 1 to make 16. How many 2's are in 16? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 8. Let's check. 8 times 2 is exactly 16, perfect. Subtracting 16 from 16 gives us 0, no remainder this time. You did it, you solved the whole problem, high five. And that's all the digits, we're all done with this division adventure. So 136 divided by 2 equals 68. We did it, we tackled 136 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every problem is a chance to shine. Great job, everyone, keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.